There was once an old woman living on the edge of a great forest. Her name was Babka. Every day, Babka would go out into the forest with the crumbs from her bread to feed the little birds who came flying down to peck from her hands. Her name was Babka.
Ah, such gratitude and joy that our great forest is saved. My tears have come in waves since I watched the mineral men drive their jeeps away down the steep dirt tracks. Now, alone in my cottage, my old heart's wrung through with a wash of emotions. This beloved land I've wandered all my life, as a girl learning balance on fallen trunks of larch, finding secret places to savour wild grapes and ginseng berries, or dancing with iridescent butterflies whose wings were broader than my hands. From a hiding place, I'd watch the antics of the fierce little sable, its fur prized for centuries by distant czars, nobles, celebrities. Then later, I studied the tracks of rare tigers, first in snow. Then, as my senses attuned, I knew their habits all year round and could smell the winter dens of black bear in the huge, hollow trunks of poplar. As a grown woman, daily gathering sticks in the forest, I've been a friend to every creature and bird, and have fed my feathered companions the crumbs from my meagre supper. Now my stomach churns at the thought of all that so nearly destroyed. The air silent, no trees for children to play their hide-and-seek games, and in spring flocks of grey-backed thrushes, blue robins, cuckoos and turtle doves returning to a barren landscape prized only for the riches locked in the veins of grandmother Earth. The villagers are already feasting and dancing, because a new mine would have poisoned our community the way that dirty money always does. They want to celebrate me as heroine of this story, and I, a simple woman of the Usurian forest, am invited to sit with local officials who pretend to share our celebration, but who pocket bribes from the mineral corporation. And so I've slipped home on the pretext of fetching my shawl, and here I am, feet toasting by the fire that never dies. What will I tell them? That a wounded bird I'd saved had transformed while I dozed? That I awoke to a creature more marvellous than any ever seen? That it spoke, granting me 3 wishes? The younger generation don't accept earth magic, and the men will only smirk behind their hands, then raise yet another toast to dear old Babka. As I said, few now believe in natural magic that happens when our minds are open, and the functionaries of government and commerce are selected for their way with jokes in place of feelings. And those men driving away to prospect for minerals on the far side of the mountains, my 4th wish is for their hearts to crack through the stone they learnt to place around them. May the ancient forest stand for the sake of all beings.